Welcome to today's guide on how to start a group voice call on Instagram app on your PC with the brand new update. If you've been looking for a way to connect with your friends, family, or colleagues directly through Instagram without needing your phone, this feature makes it simple and convenient. Let's go step by step so you can start your first group voice call in just a few clicks. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once the app is loaded, you'll see your homepage with your feed right in front of you. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the messages icon. This will take you straight to your conversation list. Next, scroll through your DMs and find the group you want to call. If you don't already have a group set up, you can quickly create one by starting a new chat and adding the members you'd like to talk with. Once your group is ready, click on it to open the conversation window. Inside the conversation, look to the top of the chat. You'll see a few familiar icons, and one of them will be a phone symbol. This is the new voice call feature. Simply click on the phone icon, and Instagram will pull up the call options. Now, click on Start Call. As soon as you do, everyone in the group will receive a notification to join. Members can connect instantly, and once they accept, you'll be talking in real time. You'll notice that the call interface is designed to be very straightforward, giving you options to mute your microphone, adjust your audio settings, or end the call when you're finished. That's really all it takes. In just a few steps, opening the Instagram app, heading into your messages, selecting your group, and clicking on the phone icon, you can start a group voice call right on your PC. This update is especially useful for staying connected without switching between devices or juggling multiple apps. So go ahead and try it out for yourself. Gather your friends, start your first group call, and enjoy this new way to communicate directly on Instagram.